This lecture has been specially designed by TE&MC to educate against fire hazards in a very short time. Each fire class describes the fuel or material or what caused it to start. Therefore, using the right extinguisher is essential to put out the fire safely. There are different types of fires and each one is put into 6 classes: A, B, C, D, F and electrical, to ensure that the correct fire extinguisher is used. If any of these fires start, it can spread quickly, so it is essential to know which extinguisher to use to be able to put it out in time. Basically, fire is the result of a chemical reaction in which a substance combines with oxygen and generates heat during chemical reaction. Fire is the rapid oxidation of a material in the chemical process of combustion, releasing heat, light, and various reaction products. Fire is started in many ways. The more common are presented in this slide. All the causes highlighted in slide point towards being careful in routine daily activities to avoid fire incidents. All the possible sources of ignition to start a fire are flashed on the screen. These include sources of ignition related to electricity. In addition to this, it is important to have good housekeeping through proper storage of materials and periodic inspections of the appliances and building utilities. This will result in greatly reducing the possibility of fire incidents. Class A fire is produced from solid materials such as wood or paper, fabric, and some plastics. Class B involves liquids such as alcohol, ether, gasoline or petrol and paint. Class C is caused by flammable gases like methane, butane and hydrogen. These can also be categorized as cylinder fires. Class D fires are produced from burning metals. These can be metallic substances such as sodium, titanium, zirconium, or magnesium. Class E results from electrical failure of appliances, electronic equipment, computers, generators and wiring. Class F occurs mostly in kitchens fueled by cooking oils or greasy substances. Class A fires are the most common. It is always recommended to have adequate protection against ordinary fires in addition to other conditions related to specific types of fires. Despite being ordinary, do not rule this class of fire as low risk. If there is an abundance of fuel present, these fires can intensify quickly. Class B fires involve liquids that are flammable. Most of the time these fires are encountered at petrol pumps and storage tanks of liquids in industries. These fires can be extinguished through use of carbon dioxide cylinders or foams that cut off supply of oxygen to the fire by smothering. Class C fires can be avoided by following the standard precautions associated with use of domestic CNG and LPG cylinders. Industries requiring gases in their chemical production processes must ensure foolproof measures for keeping the storage tanks protected from any accidental leakages and mishandling that may cause fire. Class D fires are not as common as the other classes, but they do require special attention because they can be especially difficult to extinguish. Dry powder agents are the best solution for smothering the flames and limiting damage to property or people. Electrical fires are common in facilities that make heavy use of electrical equipment, but they can occur in a wide range of industries. For example, data centers might be an obvious risk area for Class C fires. They must have safeguards in place to deal with electrical fires. Construction sites are another common Class C fire risk. Electrical power tools or appliances used for cooking can cause sparks to ignite combustible materials and intensify rapidly. Electrical fires require non-conductive materials to extinguish the flame, so water alone is not a good solution. Class F fires involve flammable liquids, similar to Class B fires, but are specifically related to food service and the restaurant industry. These spread quickly and are difficult to manage. Trying to put off these fires with water can make the situation worse, but smothering the flames or using a wet agent fire extinguisher is effective. Now that we understand how each fire starts, we can prepare for how to fight them, or better yet, prevent them from happening in the first place. There are 3 main aspects that must be covered to keep you equipped with resources to fight fires and stay safe during any untoward event. These are flashed on the screen. If you can maintain each of these, you should be able to react appropriately in a fire emergency. no matter what class of fire you face. Various types of fire extinguishers exist in order to address different classes of fires. Each fire class describes the fuel or material a fire is burning or what caused it to start. Therefore, using the right extinguisher is essential to put out the fire safely. A quick chart to help you identify the right fire extinguisher for each class of fire is displayed on screen. Comprehensive training ensures that staff know how to operate a fire extinguisher and when it's needed, especially for the classes of fire you are most likely to face. Commit to regular fire safety training to stay current on preparedness skills, technology, and equipment. Pair your fire extinguisher training with a practiced evacuation plan. Remember to have equipment inspected regularly, and replace fire extinguishers once they pass their expiration. Have your building inspected by the local fire department to ensure that it meets fire codes regarding your fire protection system, building capacity, and fire alarm requirements. Proper implementation of safety protocols ensures avoidance of accidents and fire incidents. This lecture has summarized different types of fires that may be encountered in industry as well as homes. Contact us on email for further information and surveys related to safety planning to prevent fire incidents. Important web links are flashed on the screen.